Hi everyone, welcome back to my video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will create a letter logo using pen tool. I'm not using font, but I'm using pen tool. First, I will create a object like this. You can see my steps. That's simple, but you can create a different shape. Okay, looks good. And I will change the color using purple like this. And I will using another object to cut this object. Like this. And I will make it over here too. Maybe wait, oops. Maybe something like this. You see my steps. You can follow me or create your own logo. I mean you can create your own shape. Much better. Now I will cut this object using -1 like this one. And now I will create second object. I will change the color to orange. And create object like this. You can see my steps. Maybe this abstract letter, because I'm not using font style. Okay, that looks good. Now I will select this object. I'm gonna right click, select group, and go to edit, select copy, and paste in front. Now I will change the position like this, and I will adjust the position like this. Okay, that looks good. I think this technique is easy and you can create a logo like this, but you can create a logo with your own idea, with different shape, not as a letter, maybe R, maybe A, and another letter logo. Okay, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more video tutorial. See my description below and leave a comment below if you have a question. Okay, see you later.